What we are getting to know, another round of breaking update, that the Congress seems to be irked with its Jammu and Kashmir counterpart, which is the NC, with the statehood protest. Now, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who has expressed displeasure over the Congress party's recent protest demanding the restoration of statehood, saying that the matter was neither discussed in the opposition bloc meeting nor was the National Conference informed. Now, this is coming at a time when the Congress party staged protests in Srinagar, in Jammu and in New Delhi, demanding the restoration of statehood of Jammu and Kashmir. And these protests that followed a letter from the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging him to table a bill in the ongoing monsoon session of Parliament. Let's get in a word from Sahil Suhail, who is connected with us right now. Sahil, the statehood stir, that seems to be one of the reasons that Omar Abdullah has been consistently raising. However, why is he miffed over Congress staging protests?
Well, first of all, before the beginning of the ongoing monsoon session, we had seen Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi basically writing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging him to bring it in fact a bill in the ongoing session and restore the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir. This was somewhere basically praised by National Conference, but later the Congress party command in Jammu and Kashmir decided to stage protests, and it started last week from Srinagar, then in Jammu, and then they went to, in fact, New Delhi. Now, National Conference party leaders, in fact, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, when he was asked about the protests staged by the Congress party, he said that the Congress party had not consulted National Conference over the issue, and in fact, the India bloc meeting that was conducting before the onset of the monsoon session, the matter was not discussed there. In fact, we are picking up from the sources within the National Conference that they believe, the party leaders rather believe in National Conference that Congress party stand. Firstly, writing a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and then going on with these protests from Srinagar to New Delhi would somewhere, in fact, caused a negative impact on the efforts of the restoration of statehood. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and his party has been consistently raising the issue. In fact, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has met Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
Chief Minister there, Sahil, just pausing you as far as we'll play out his reaction, what he's been saying in Gandarbal, where Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said that the Congress party should have communicated to the NC before organizing these protests in multiple locations. Let's listen.
उनकी सेहत की उम्मीद रखूंगा, ऊपर वाले से दुआ करूंगा कि हमारे साबका नायब सदर जो हैं वो सेहतियाब हों, कि सेहत ठीक रहे, लंबी उम्र हो। ये पहली मर्तबा है शायद कि नायब सदर मुल्क के उन्होंने इस तरह इस्तीफ़ा दिया। जाहिर सी बात है कि उनकी सेहत ने उन्हें और काम करने की इजाज़त नहीं दी। अब चलिए उम्मीद करते हैं कि अब इसके बाद जो बनेगा वो इस कुर्सी और इस दफ्तर के साथ सही मायने में इंसाफ करेगा।
सर, कांग्रेस कहते हैं कि प्रदर्शन करने में चाहिए, स्टेटहुड को बहाल करने के लिए।
किस चीज़ पे?
वो जो स्टेटहुड को
बारे में पहले हमसे बात करें ना। हम तो ये चीज़ें अखबार में पढ़ते हैं, हमसे तो किसी ने बात नहीं की। पिछले दिनों इंडिया ब्लॉक की मीटिंग हुई, उसमें भी जिक्र किया कर देते तो हम क्यों पीछे हटते ना। सबसे पहले तो हमने ये बेड़ा उठाया है, कैबिनेट में रेजोल्यूशन हमने पास कराया, असेंबली में रेजोल्यूशन हमने लाया। तो दूसरी बात है कि वहाँ हालात की वजह से उस रेजोल्यूशन पे बहस नहीं हो पाई, लेकिन ये बेड़ा हमने उठाया है। अब इतने दिनों के बाद उनको एहतजाज करना याद आया, बड़ी अच्छी बात है। लेकिन अगर उनको हमारा इसमें सपोर्ट चाहिए, हमारी मदद चाहिए, तो हमसे बात करें, हमारे साथी भी इसमें शामिल होंगे।
क्या करेंगे सर? क्या करने वाले?